This global doctoral program is co-directed by two Europe's leading business schools, Durham-emlyon in France and the Durham University in the UK. The huge advantage of this is that you receive two thesis advisors through your studies, one from each school. We partnered to deliver this degree because both schools are highly ranked and globally recognized for academic excellence, making us, of course, confident that we are educating individuals capable of having impact in the world. That, of course, coupled with the international aspect of having fellow candidates, professors, and models from all around the world, the access to cutting-edge facilities, the faculty support, and the professional network achievable through the GDBA journey makes this degree, of course, far ahead of others of its kind.